time to sow and a time to reap. No? Sabi nga, full force kami in our ceremony and my colleague in the board, professional teachers. Of course, we have the regional PRC here in the Cordillera. Baka nang hula, pero naging mag-iisip mo ng hula, di ba? So there's really excitement also in taking the LET. No, we don't want to compare it to the civil service. It's a different kind of exam because the LET is not a classroom achievement test, as we always say. We use technologies. That exam is really addressed only to two groups. The Bachelor of Elementary Education graduates and the Bachelor of Secondary Education graduates. Of course, meron din doon na 8. No? Because when your operating teacher is not there, you will be the one to take over, and if you're not prepared, teach them one. So teach them everything. As we always say, you cannot give what you do not have. Alright? So you're number one when it comes to caring and commitment to the teaching profession. So congratulations. Also, only other members of society. The nobility of the teaching profession. Always say, wala na mga professions without the professional teachers. No? And of course, you have the dean representing in our minds of the students, which you have to nurture. And of course, white represents the teacher who is transparent, the teacher with integrity. No? Short of saying, we are all honorables as teachers. Kasi pag hindi ginagawa tama, according to the code of ethics, na you are accused of what? Dishonorable acts. Ano ba yung dishonorable acts? Marami yun. No? Eh, sabi nisa, bawal daw pangutang. Hindi, bawal pangutang, hindi ka babayan. Diba? Nakabuli ka daw pangutang mo. But if you pay, it's okay. Especially if the agency is legitimate. Maybe you will have the ID dislocation from US President Donald Roosevelt, who was a high regard for the teacher. According to him, as teachers, you've got to make a difference in the lives of your students. Why? Because the world is full of fear, so your teacher should be courageous. The world is full of lies, so be honest. In this world, without every care, you must show compassion. The world is full of scammers and loko. So huwag tayong maloloko. We must be. I will support and defend. I will support and defend. The Constitution of the Philippines. The Constitution of the Philippines. I will dare to faith. I will dare to faith. And allegiance to the same. I will obey the laws. I will obey the laws. Legal orders and decrees. Legal orders and decrees. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. Of the Republic of the Philippines. Of the Republic of the Philippines. And I will post this obligation upon myself. And I will post this obligation upon myself. Voluntarily without mental reservation. Voluntarily without mental reservation. For purpose of evasion. For purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear. I further solemnly swear. That at all times and places. That at all times and places. I will adhere closely. I will adhere closely. To the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers. To the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers. In the Philippines and in the world. And that I will faithfully discharge. And that I will faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. To the best of my ability. The duties and obligations incumbent. The duties and obligations incumbent. Upon a legally authorized. Professional teacher. Professional teacher. So help me God. So help me God. Congratulations. So that marks the signal. That marks the name.
Oo, babe.
Fortunately for us, we have a continuous flow of new teachers, theoretically, especially on the start of the Philippines. Bakit? Dahil tayo mahal natin ang edukasyon. Mahal natin ang edukasyon at mahal natin ang magulo. Di ba? And we, the board of professional teachers, are full of great joy that we have.
May nakita ko kapag dito man sa harap.
Mga baby ka mo?